right. I shall attribute my potential inside. Just rub your hands. Put it. What line is this? Just a second, I have some network issue. Sorry for disturbance, children. Just make a call. Yes, what line is this? No. What line is this? This is not slanting line.
Sleeping lion. Sleeping.
What line is this? Standing line. Very good. What line is this? Slanting line. Very good. What line is this? What line is this? See, that is upper curve. What line is this? Upper curve. What line is this? Upper curve. What line is this? See, what line is this? Did you get this one? What line is this? Down curve. That is upper curve, down curve. See, U shape. Is this U shape? But we have to call upper curve, down curve. Yes, upper curve, down. Just everyone take a notebook. Okay, tell me, I gave you homework. Why didn't you finish your homework and no one sent me the homework note? What happened? Nishwant, what happened to you? Nishwant?
Ma'am, we don't hear you.
Oh. Now I am audible?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. What line is this? Tell me. Tell me fast. Sleeping line. What line is this?
What line is this? Standing.
What line is this? slanting line. What line is this?
wait.
Upper curve. No, upper curve. This is upper curve. This is down curve. Okay. Everyone finished your homework or not? Tell me yes or no. Has to reply me back.
Ma'am, no homework was given,
Did you
ma'am.
finish your homework?
No.
No.
No homework was
Why?
given, ma'am.
Ma'am, I see your all videos. Why didn't you finish your homework? Tell me.
No, ma'am, we didn't get any homework.
Ma'am, I gave na upper curve line.
Upper curve that was finished already, right?
Ma'am, no one sent me the photos of. Only Jasna and Nishwant has sent. Jasna and Nishwant. Okay, take a notebook. Take a notebook. Crayons. Take everyone. Take a notebook and crayons. Just draw a standing line. No, everyone. Draw a standing line. Standing line. Draw a standing line. Yes, draw a standing line, everyone.
Standing line.
Just draw a 2-3 standing line. 2-3 standing line, everyone. Is this a recap for everyone? Just draw. Pen. Yes, very good. Very good. Kaushik. Yes, very good. Pinishwat. Very good, Pinishwat. What about you, Jasna? Did you complete, Kanna? Jasna, did you complete it? Yes, very good. Very good. Nishwant and Jasna. Very good. Keep it up. Now draw a sleeping line. 2-3 sleeping line. Just draw a sleeping line. See, I draw a sleeping line. Draw a sleeping line. Yeah. Draw a sleeping line like this. 2-3 draw. Show me. Sleeping line. Yes, very good. Little bit improve yourself. Kaushik, it was very good. Nice. Don't, parents, please don't help the kids. Let it be kids has to do. Let it be kids has to do. I want to see. Nishwat, little bit till your laptop or phone. What you have, Kana? I could not see your notebook. Little bit go back, Nishwant. I could not able to see. It's blank only. Yes, yes. Show to me. Yes, very good. Very good.
Next month.
Yeah. Jasna, now it's your turn. Yes, very good. Now two slanting line. Two slanting line together. Two slanting line together. Two slanting line together. Yes, very good, very good. Keep it up. Now two slanting line. May finish one. Two slanting line. Nishwant. Nishwant, hold a pencil like this. See, look it here. Nishwant, hold a crayons like this. See, Nishwant, hold pencil like this. Very good, Nishwant. Yes. Yeah, I could not able to see P Nishwant little bit closer, Kanna. Yeah, very good. Two slanting again. 2-3 lines. 2-3 stroke again. You drew. Very good. Kaushik. Very good, Kaushik. Again do. Make a practice. When I say stop, then you have to stop it. Okay?
நீங்க ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன் நீங்க பட்டுக்கை பட்டுக்கை டாட் ஆக்கக்கூடாது எம்டி டாட் ஆக்கக்கூடாது டாட்ல ஆக்குங்க நீங்க கனெக்ட்
Very good. Yes. Do it. What happened, Jasna? Did you complete it, Kanna? Yes, very good. Everyone, keep it up. Parents, give a star to kids. Parents, on behalf of me, please give a star up to the kids. Little bit star for the kids.
Yes.
Star. Give a star to the kids. See, parents, please, on behalf of me, please give it a star to the kids. Yes. Yay. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. Shall we play a game today? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. How you say yes to me when we start a game? No game. How you say me yes? How you say me this? Right, yes, I don't want. I won't say yes like this. Yes, very good. You have to say me like this, yes. Then I have so much energy, na? If you don't say me, how I have energy? Tell me. How you say yes? Yes. Okay. Okay. Take a 2-3 stalls. Take a 2-3 stall or stall if you have your mother stall. Please take for me 2-3. 2 or 3. Please take it from me. I'll give you 1 minute. Go fast and bring a stall or stall. What you have at home? Bring. Everyone, bring it. Go fast. Bring it. Yes, just now go bring it. Go fast. Run. And get it the stall and come back. Yes, show to me everyone. Show to me. Yes, Jasna. Yes, very good. Parents, make a note like this. Yes. See, like this. And little bit put it in the floor and give a little bit gap, like this much gap. Put it on the floor, not in bed, sir. Nishwan's parents, please not in bed, on floor, and little bit gap, little bit. If you don't have 2 3 solve, do it like this. Make a gap in the floor. Yeah. Make a gap. Yes. If parents have a phone, please take a phone and show to your kids. We play a game, jumping game with numbers. I taught you on Friday numbers now. Yes or no? Who will say yes?
Yes.
See, I show to you. See, I show to you. Like this, parents, please make a gap. Everyone see? Make a gap little bit. Nishwant, I don't tell you to wear this. I want to tell you to put it on the floor. A little bit gap. You want to jump. Jump up high. See, jump. You have to jump up from the stall. Yes. Come here.
Inside, outside.
Yes, very good, very good.
We now jump faster, inside, outside.
When I start the music, you have to jump. Just jump, 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 jump. Yes. Note, make a circle. Yes. Okay, very good. Shall I start a music or not? Tell me yes or no. How you say yes fastly? How you say fast? Yes. Ma'am, I am start. Okay. I will start.
Start.
Everyone's done?
திரும்ப மேம் பாரு.
Jump, 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 jump from the stall, jump from the stall, jump. Yes, again jump, jump. Jump, jump. Yes, jump, again jump. Jump, yes, jump. Jump. Yeah, one stall to another stall, one stall to another stall. Jump. Jump. Yes, jump. Again jump. Jump. Fast. Fast jump. Fast. Do it. Yes. This is slow. Get some more energy. Jump from the stall. Vishwan, jump from the stall. Jump upright. Yes, jump outside and jump inside. Jump outside, jump inside. Yes. Jump outside, jump inside. Yes. Another stall. Another stall. Jump. Yes. And again jump. Jump. Again jump. What happened here? Jump. No. Okay, very good. Stop. Very good. Did you like this jumping game? Did you like this jumping game or not? Tell me yes or no. You have to jump one stall to another stall to third stall to fourth stall. Like this you have to jump. But it was very fun. It was good fun. Yes or no? Yes or no? Who will see? Who enjoyed this game? Tell me, who enjoyed this game? Who enjoyed this game? No one enjoyed this game? Everyone enjoyed this game or not? Yes or no? Tell me yes. Who will show me a thumb? Show me a thumb. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Okay. Nishwan, give a stall to your mama. Give a stall to your mama. Yes. Okay. What numbers I taught you on Friday, na? Numbers I taught you on Friday? Okay, drink a water. If you feel tired, drink a water. If you feel tired, drink a water. Okay. Everyone finished a curved line. And 1 to 5 numbers I taught you na on Friday. Yes or no? Say yes. Who drank water? Tell me yes or no. Kaushik, tell me. Kaushik? No, I didn't taught you anything on Friday. What I taught you? Numbers, na? What were the numbers I taught you? Okay, I will ask you then. Okay, I will ask. Okay, I will ask. What number is this? Chasna, please reply me. What number is this? One. No, I'm not asking like this. Okay. P. Nishwat. What number is this? 2. Yes. Okay. Kaushik, what number is this? 3. Very good, very good, very good. Clap, clap, clap. What number is this? Who will tell me? Who will reply me? Parents, please don't give a help to my kids. My kids is very smart. My kids knows numbers. And am I right? Everyone knows the numbers? Yes. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, no? Yes, I know that. What number is this? Bye. Yes. Okay, I will share my screen. Yeah. Then you have to match. I asked you on Friday, na same.
Mention numbers. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3.
What number is this? Chasna. This one. See, I did a map. No, what number is this?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Yes, 3. Parents, did you find this worksheet at kids worksheet? Did you
No,
find
ma'am,
it
it's
or
not
no?
there.
So okay, no issue. Make a copy of this worksheet in your rough note.
Okay.
Okay. Make a copy. Draw like this. Everyone draw like this. You no need to draw an apple or a what, ma'am? No need to draw an apple. If you can draw an apple, it means very good. If you can't draw an apple, let it do a circle and write down the number. Show me who draw that. See, I show to you. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, and another side 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Upper also you can write match the same number. I could not able to see you because I presenting my screen. Please parents tell me who draw that.
வேற என்னடா சொல்றீங்க?
Yes. Who draw? Who complete your drawing?
Done for Jashna, ma'am.
Done for Jasna. Jasna has done. What about Kaushik? What about P. Nishwat and Nishwant?
Yeah, done for finish.
Nishwat, go in mute. Go in mute. Yes. If you complete, show to me. If you complete, show to me.
Yes.
Kaushik, show me your note. Show me your note. Yes, very good, P. Nishwat. Yeah, show to me. You completed. You are super fast. You are super fast. Very good. Again, you have to draw. Write down the number, ma'am. I give you trouble. Because it was super fast. Again, I have to give you trouble then. Okay, everyone has done, na? Everyone has done. Shall I do? Shall we do? Yes or no? Yes. Can anyone tell me, please? Go and unmute and tell me. Yes, ma'am. Jasna, shall we start or not? Yes or no? Say.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now I will start. Okay, I will ask one by one. Okay. I will start from down. Okay. What number is this? What number is this? See the pencil in my notebook. See. What number is this?
2.
Very good. And what number is this, Jasna?
Very
வேற
good.
என்ன நம்பர் கேக்குறாங்க?
3.
Can I match this 2 number to 3 number?
8, 9.
Can I match this 2 number to 3 number? Jasna only has to reply me. Everyone go in mute.
இது சேம்
Only Jasna has to reply me. Everyone go in mute. I will ask one by one, okay? Jasna, can I match this number to this number? This 2 number to 3 number? Can I match this?
நோ
I am doing correct?
சத்தமா சொல்லு. நோ
No. Is this correct, Kanna? This 2 number to 2 number?
கரெக்ட்டா?
Correct.
Very good, Jasna. Very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Now turn is Nishwant. Nishwant, can I draw this number to this number?
Oh,
No. Okay. Can I draw this number to this number?
no, no,
No, na? Is this correct?
no.
What is the correct?
No.
What is correct?
1.
1. Very good. 1, 2.
1 by
One. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct, Nishwan?
Yes.
Very good. Okay,
Yes.
now I came back to Kaushik. Kaushik, I can draw this number to this number like this. Is this a correct I did? Is this a correct I did?
Correct ಆಗಿದೆ. No, ma'am.
No. What is correct? This is correct.
This is correct, Kaushik, ma'am. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು connect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. This is correct.
This is correct.
Tick. He's putting tick, ma'am.
Okay, yes, okay. Thank you. Okay, now P. Nishwant is your turn. P. Nishwant. Nishwant, is this correct number to draw? Just a second, I raised. Nishwant. Nishwant, is this a correct way to draw? I draw is correct? Number 5 to 4?
Correct.
No. Or is this correct? No. What is the correct?
What is the correct? 5.
What is correct? Is this correct?
No.
No. This is not correct.
Correct சொல்லு. Correct. நான் சொன்னானே.
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
5 to 5 is not correct.
No.
5 நிமிஷம்.
Is this correct, baby? See, 5 number to 5 number. It was same, na? There was a 5 apple. There was a 5 apple was there. It was same, na? So we have to match this. What we have to do? See, I have a 5 finger. This hand also I have a 5 finger. I can match this, na? Huh? I can match or not? Tell me yes or no. Yes, na? I can twist it. I can twist it, na? See, I have 1 finger. I have 1 finger. I can twist it. If I have 1 finger here, I have three finger in this hand. I can't twist it. It was not same. That's why what I ask you, in same number to same number. See, I do here. Look at here. Number 3 to number 3. Number 4 to number 4. Number 1 to number 1. See. Number 2 to number 2. Like this you have to match. Now you have to do. I want to see how you do correctly. Show to me. Kaushik is doing very good. P. Nishwant, I want to see. Just
Green or the color.
put your camera down. I want to see Jasna parents also, Nishwant parents also. I want to see how kids is doing. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up, Jasna. Give a star to my kids. Parents, on behalf of me, give a star. Yes, double star. Double star. Everyone give a double star to my kids.
1 నుంచి 1 finger.
Give a double star.
2 నుంచి 2 4. 2 నుంచి 2 4.
Yes, yes. Very good, Kaushik. Wow, nice. Are you happy, Kaushik? Now you get a star? Happy or not? Show me a happy face. Show me a happy face. Yes. High five. Yes. Oh my God. This much. Okay. Jasa, you want to give me a high five? Oh. High five. Yay. High five. High five. I will give it to both of you together. 1, 2, 3, high five. Very good, very good, Nishwant. Wow, wow. Give a star. Parents, give a star on behalf of me. Yes.
Double step.
Very good, Nishwant. Very good, very good. Give a star, give a star, give a star. How fastly you are doing. How, see, how smart you are. Everyone's smart in my class. This was good, na? Yes, na? Okay, very good, very good. Very good. Okay,
No, Koshi, don't play.
shall we go with our rhymes? Yes, rhymes. Rhymes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
5 little monkey. Can we do 5 little monkey jumping on the bed?
One side.
Come, stand up, everyone. We do 5 little monkey. Just stand up and do. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and one kid said, Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Poor little monkey jumping on the bed. Jump, jump up high, jumping on the bed. He fell down and one kid said, Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 3 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and one kid said, Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 2 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no, monkey jumping on the bed. Okay. Shall we start roly-poly? Fast. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Big. Roly-poly. Small. Roly-poly. Up. Roly-poly. Down. Down. Roly-poly. What? Open. Roly-poly. Close. Roly-poly. Slow. Roly-poly. High five. Give me a high five. Yay. Clap. Very good. Okay. Okay, shall we start a new rhymes? Shall we start a new rhymes? One, no, bye bye. No, bye bye. No, bye bye. I want to talk to you more. I want to talk to you more.
Bye bye.
I taught you new rhymes. I want to taught you today new rhymes.
Pudu rhymes. Not Pudu rhymes.
Do like this. Found a peanuts, found a peanuts, found a peanuts just now. Do it with me. Found a peanuts, found a peanuts, found a peanuts just now. Crack it open, crack it open, crack it open just now. Eat the peanuts, eat the peanuts, eat the peanuts just now. Stomach paining, stomach paining, stomach paining just now. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter just now? Stomach paining, stomach paining, stomach paining just now. Take the medicine, take the medicine, take the medicine just now. Eat the medicine, eat the medicine, eat the medicine just now. I am happy, I am happy, I am happy just now.
Clap for ma'am.
Thank you, doctor, thank you, doctor, thank you, doctor just now. Bye bye, doctor, bye bye, doctor, bye bye, doctor just now. I am all right, I am all right, I am all right just now. Did you enjoy this rhymes?
Clap for
Shall we do it again? Again or not? Again or not? Yes or no?
It's a good manner.
No. Find the peanuts, find the peanuts, find the peanuts just now. Crack it open, crack it open, crack it open just now. Eat the peanuts, eat the peanuts, eat the peanuts just now. Stomach paining, stomach paining, stomach paining just now. What happened? Stomach pain. What do you have to do there?
Call the doctor.
Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Shall I do it? Something, add it. Shall I add it one more? Injection, injection, injection just now. No, no, doctor, no, no, doctor, no, no, doctor just now. Are you doing like this now? When the doctor gives you
Nalla இருக்கு.
huh? Doing or not doing? Huh? Very good. Let me start chubby chick, chubby chick. Who will do chubby chick? Who have a chubby chick in my class? Nishwant. A bit chubby, Jasna. A rosy lip. Who has a rosy lip? Glass, rosy lip. Very fair, very fair. Who is very fair? Who is very fair? Nishwant. Who? So do chubby chick. Dimple chin, rosy lip, teeth within. Show me it. Show me it. Show me it. Show me it, everyone. Teeth within. Show me it, everyone. Show me it. Show me it. I want to see it. Show me it. Chubby chick, dimple chin, rosy lip, teeth within. Curly hair. Curly hair. See, I don't have a curly hair.
அங்க ma'am.
Very fair.
சரி.
I saw blue. Lovely too. Teacher's pet. Is that you? Is that you?
Yes.
Is that you? No. You are not a teacher's pet? Teacher's pet? Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. What happened, Jasna? Why? What? What happened? Tell me.
Is it allowed?
Tell me. I will solve your problem. What you want to do?
Ma'am, என்ன சொல்லுங்க? என்ன பண்ணனும் கேக்குறாங்க. What do you want to do?
Red
Brown.
மாவா.
Brown. Okay, straight to my teddy. Hi.
ಬೇಕಂತದ
Hi, everyone. How are you? What happened to everyone? How are you? What happened to everyone? Why are you feeling so sad? I came back late, na? Sorry. I am a teddy. Hi, Nishwar. Say hi. Hi, Nishwar. Okay, Jasna. Show me your big smile. Show me a big smile, Jasna. I want to smile to you. Where are you? Where are your smile? Show to me. Kaushik. Hi, Kaushik. How are you? Hi. Shall we do teddy bear, teddy bear? Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off the shoes. See, I want to go to school. I want to meet you all. I want to meet you all in my school. Hi, Teddy. How are you? Okay, just do a clap. What? Do a clap for Teddy. Do it fast, Daddy. And give a big smile to Daddy. See, give a big smile to Daddy. Give a big smile to Daddy.
ತೆಟ್ಟಿಯ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಟ್ಟಿ ನೋಡುವ
Then Daddy has to say you bye-bye. Otherwise, Daddy can't say you bye-bye. Give a big smile. Now Daddy has to go back to her home. Say bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You will go back. Come back. Okay. Did you meet Daddy? Everyone meet Daddy, na? How is the Daddy? He is your friend? He is your friend? What you have to ask Daddy? How are you? What do you do? Did you like dance? You have to introduce yourself to Daddy, na? Or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Say me yes or no. Yes. Okay. Now it's time to say bye-bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, ma'am. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. I will take another game from tomorrow. Like coins game. What game? Everyone like coins? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Kanna. Bye, baby.
இங்க பா கௌசி இங்க பா பை எல் மாமி
Bye bye.
Bye, Kaushik. Bye, Nishwan.